Hey there, what's up? In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect Google Meet to Otter.ai for live transcription. So the first thing that you will have to do is open your Otter.ai, and once you're here, you will go to your settings and then click integrations. Then you will select Google Meet and then you will click connect and go ahead and log into your Google account, and then you will just have to give your permissions. And during a Google Meet call, you will open your Otter.ai, and then you will just have to click record, and then you will so that you will be able to transcribe in real time. And after that, and by the way, Otter.ai can also generate meeting summaries and export transcripts to PDF or docs. And that's it. Google Meet should now be connected to Otter AI for live transcription if you followed every step that I've just mentioned earlier. And yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and I really hope it was helpful for you. And if it was, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.